We're good?
We're good. Let's start.
I don't know. Do we just jump right in?
I think so.
All right, dad jokes.
I mean, I feel like the laughing is just not
All right, so what are the rules?
So I guess
Two
if they
men enter,
laugh,
one man leaves.
if they laugh, you get a point. Should we do that? Since I guarantee everyone's
Okay.
gonna laugh.
I will laugh. So like, yeah. All right, I'll start. Who's the best mechanic in Hollywood? Richard Gere.
Why did the car's engine go to the party alone? It had no body to go with.
What happens when you leave your ADHD medication in your Ford Fiesta? It turns into a Ford Focus.
It's a good one.
Pretty good. What's a cook's favorite car? Chevrolet.
Why did the car start taking singing lessons? It needed a tune-up.
What happens when Kermit the Frog car breaks down? It gets towed.
Did you guys know that all German babies are born with Audis?
That's unfortunate. What do you get when you cross a car with a cat? The Jaguar.
Alright, here we go. Bad news. Your car is totaled. Good news. After the wreck, your Audi is finally at Amy.
Why do gas stations charge you to put air in your tires? Inflation.
Why did the car go to therapy? It couldn't handle the emotional baggage of the trunk.
This is ChatGPT.
Yeah.
If Yoda owned a business, I bet it'd be a...
Yoda dealership.
There you go.
So what's the tree train's final destination? Deforestation.
Why did the car cross the road?
To get to the other side.
To show off its superior jaywalking abilities.
Alright, here we go. Did you read about the scientist who bred a Mustang with an elephant?
No.
Now he's got a convertible with a giant trunk.
Why was the NASCAR driver upset when he pulled into his pit stop?
Had to turn right.
He wasn't ready to retire.
I got gas for $1.99 at lunch today.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, from Taco Bell.
Who can drive all the customers away and still make money?
A taxi.
There you go.
Ah.
Hey.
Good one. Good one. All right. Why does a chicken coop have 2 doors?
Because if it had 4, it'd be a chicken sedan.
Let's go.
What kind of car did Jesus drive? A Chrysler.
What do penguins do when they want to relax?
Chill out.
Netfish.
Okay. Why should you not write a book on penguins? It's much easier to write on paper.
All right. We're out. That's a wrap. All
Yeah.
right. Well done, gentlemen.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, I respect the jokes. Well done, everybody. Whoever.